that because you can't tell what color that truck is for the black smoke.
John!
Yes, sir. It'll look just like a sunset here.
Yeah, black sunset's here. All right, Addicted Diesel bringing you this one. Oh, yeah!
Oh, come on, come on.
I'm going to have to go with the idea that those Cummins just might dominate this class. There's your diesel tech. You got Sherwin-Williams. We got all kinds of... Are you trying to hit the water, Chris? Oh, yeah.
Well, if anything else, the mud is proving challenging for running these trucks these big distances. We show a mark up here of 366 and 11, so we know it's a lot further than that. We'll find out if our track officials want to do here.
Let him pull again.
Skylar, you want to run a tape on it and measure it from where it's at, or what do you want to do? Or Josh, I guess that's your call, isn't it?
That's a good one, Doug. Doesn't matter if it's black or white, is what Doug's trying to tell us as far as the truck goes.